In this video is another hack when you don't want to deep fry your fish or any of your protein. After cleaning and marinating my fish, I brush it with oil on both sides and I put it in the oven. Yes, I'm going the conventional way, I know. There are other method which is air fry. Air fry, yes, I don't have one. And reason being is because I do not have a space on my worktop. I do not like my kitchen worktop to be too busy, congested with things. So I like it to be free, and I believe it's more attractive than congested your worktop. So I do not have an air fryer, so I have chosen to go the conventional way. And after the fish is put in the oven, all you have to do next is to get your pepper mix ready. In this video I am using scotchbonnet, onions. I like a lot of onions, it's very good. The mixture base of your pepper is very key. If you use good quality pepper and the mixture base is very good, you don't really need to put too much of seasoning like Maggie and all other things. I love the freshness of it, and so I use a lot of onions. So once it's rinsed and you cut off the top of it, you have to chop it a little bit, chopped in a very smaller way. Then you have to blend it. It depends on how powerful your blender is, but still you have to cut it. So it's cut, and now I am proceeding into blending it. In this very cooking, I choose to use a rough blend, not to be too smooth, because I want this very texture. So you have to blend it this way. But if you have another blender which is not so powerful, please add a little bit of water to enable it boil. So this is the look of it. You're going to see pretty soon how the old texture look like. I don't want a smooth blend, I want a rough blend. So this is how it looks like. Then at this point, all I'm going to do is leave it and let it boil for like 10 to 12 minutes, and I'm checking on my fish. So I'm going to flip it over, turn it over to the other side so that it can be crispy brown and golden looking. So the pepper was boiling for 10 to 12 minutes, and now it's time for me to add my oil, my bay leaves, and your season of your choice. I use Maggie most of the time. That's the brand I use. I've been using it for years and I'm comfortable just using it. And maybe because I grew up seeing my grandma using it. So I'm putting my season. Put your season of your choice, whichever brand you like, just add it to it depending on the size. So in this video, and I add another I added bay leaves to it. So in this video I'm cooking about 5 liters of fish stew. So I let it cook again for extra about 5 minutes. So first 10 minutes to 12 minutes, then 5 minutes at this point after I added the oil and my season with bay leaves. Give it a stir. The portion or the size of oil you put is up to you. It depends on how much oil you like in your food. This is just a demo to show you how I cooked mine, but you can tailor it to whatever you want. So the fish is ready. You can see it's golden brown. You can hardly tell the difference if you have to deep fry it. Maybe it's going to have more oil when you deep fry. So at this point I'm just going to pour it, transfer it into my pepper mix that has been cooking. And once I transferred everything into my tomato pepper mix, I give it a stir very well. And once I cover it and give it a stir, I let it cook again for another 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes at this point. And this is just very simple as ABC. So this is just how I make my fish stew, with a hack of not deep frying, but conventionally I fried it in the oven with a very little oil. So I'm saving oil, and I'm actually reducing the calorie that the fish would have consumed if I'm to deep fry it. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching the video and I hope you learned something. Just remember to support my channel, share with your friends and family. Just copy the link, put it on your WhatsApp status. Do this for your friend, and I do appreciate it. Hope to see you in the next video. Remember to keep the like button. Thank you and bye bye.